Here are some weight loss tips for Ramadan that, if followed, could result in losing up to 10 kilos in just a month. These tips include: 1. Opt for water only. Instead of sugary drinks, juices, and milkshakes commonly consumed at iftar, stick to water. Drinking water can aid weight loss by facilitating the release of fat stores, boosting metabolism, suppressing appetite, and aiding in hydration, making it a healthier choice compared to calorie-laden beverages. 2. Prioritize exercise. Despite low energy levels during fasting, incorporating exercise into your routine is crucial to prevent fat accumulation and boost metabolism. Timing exercise sessions before sehri or a few hours after iftar can help burn extra fat without causing fatigue or dehydration. Exercise also reduces fatigue, maintains cardiorespiratory health, and enhances cognitive functioning during Ramadan. 3. Avoid fat, sugar, and salt. Fried foods like pakoras, samosas, and rolls, along with processed foods high in sugar, salt, fat, and calories, should be limited during Ramadan. These foods contribute to weight gain, especially visceral fat deposition, and can lead to health issues. Minimizing salt intake can prevent water retention and weight gain, improving overall health during Ramadan. 4. Incorporate protein. Including protein-rich foods such as lean meats, eggs, and beans in meals can enhance satiety and aid weight loss. Proteins reduce hunger hormones while increasing satiety hormones, making them ideal for sehri or iftari. Animal-based products are essential for meeting protein needs, while legumes and lentils, although rich in protein, may not be suitable for weight loss due to their carbohydrate content. 5. Increase vegetable consumption. Vegetables are high in fiber, low in calories, and promote satiety, aiding weight loss during Ramadan. Their fiber content maintains digestive health and prolongs satiety, while their nutrient density supports overall health. Incorporating vegetables into meals helps balance nutrients despite calorie restriction and offers immune-boosting, anti-inflammatory, and cholesterol-lowering benefits. In conclusion, practicing fasting during Ramadan can be conducive to weight loss if combined with hydration, a low-calorie diet, and moderate exercise. Avoiding sugary drinks and fried foods, along with incorporating protein and vegetables into meals, can help manage weight throughout the month. Consulting a dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations based on individual needs and medical conditions is recommended. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health videos.